East Riding's Health and Wellbeing team have some fun interactive activity videos which can be played in many different settings. Each of our activities can be adapted to suit a range of ability levels which are highlighted in each video. Now it's over to the Health and Wellbeing team for today's demonstration. Enjoy today's activity.
Hello there. Now we all love to see birds in our garden, so why not encourage them with making some bird food for them? All we need is a bagel, something to spread on it. We have some dairy here, but you can use peanut butter if you would like, some bird seed too, and after that we also need some string and scissors. But first of all we get our bagel and then we cut it in half. Once we have our half, we will then spread it through with lovely cream cheese. Now what you have to bear in mind is obviously cream cheese and peanut butter, we have to be aware of allergies before we do this activity. And also birdseed is not fit for human consumption either. So once we have spread our bagel completely with birdseed, it is a little bit messy. So people might either want to dip it in the birdseed, like that, or they might wish to simply sprinkle on it. It depends if they like getting a little bit messy. So once they've properly dipped it in the birdseed, as you can see, it looks great, it looks delicious. What we then do is we then need to slot this. So if I just hand this over to Sophie.
Thank you. So once you get your bagel, if you just cut up a piece of string, pop it through the middle, you can then tie it together at the top, and once you've done that you can find a nice lovely place in your garden to hang it.
Thank you for taking part in today's Active East Riding's activity. We hope to see you again soon.